Hello guys, welcome to my channel SK Coder. So in today's video we are going to learn data types and variables. So let's start our video. So guys, as you can see, data types means a data type. A data type is a set of values and a set of operations defined on those values. So this is what data type means. Now there are two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive. So let's see what these are. So guys, as you can see, non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types in Java are also called reference types because they refer to objects. Non-primitive data types are created by the programmer and they are not predefined. Since non-primitives are referred to as objects, they can be assigned with null, which is not the case in primitive type. Now, let us just see primitive data types. So, primitive data types in Java. The primitive data types are the predefined data types of Java. They specify the size and type of any standard values. Java has 8 primitive data types, namely byte, short, integer, long, float, double character and boolean. So let us see them. So guys, as I told you, primitive data types has numeric, characteristic and boolean. So what is in numeric? Numeric is integral and also character. So integral is float of two types, one integer type and second floating type. So floating type contains float and double, which can also hold decimal values, and integer cannot store decimal values. They can only store numbers. Character also can store numeric values, and boolean stores true or false. Default is false. Now we have seen the chart. Now just let us see their definitions. So firstly, let us see boolean data type. In Java, the boolean keyword is a primitive data type. It is used to store only two possible values, either true or false. The boolean keyword is used with variables and methods. Its default value is false, as I told you. It is generally associated with conditional statements. And as I told you, the integers byte, short, integer and long only stores numbers. So there is no definition for that. And character as well. So float and double store decimal values. Now let us see non-primitive, string and array. String stores an alphabetic, that means a text, as I showed you in the last video. And array can store multiple numeric values. So now we'll just see their examples here. So boolean is equal to 1 bit and is written as true or false. For example, boolean example is equal to true. Byte is equal to 1 byte and is written in any form of any number, like byte example 0. Short is equal to 2 byte, same as the byte, and it is written in form of any number. Integer 4 byte, long 8 byte, float 4 byte, and it can be written in form of any number or decimal. Like this, float is equal to 4 byte and double is equal to 2 bytes. Character is written in form of any string. For character example, dbdbh, also numeric. Okay. So guys, now we have to use these data types and variables in our Eclipse. So let's just create a new class. I click here, right click, new, and we'll just head to the class. So we will give this class name as data types and variable. variables. Let's just finish this. So guys, I will just put an integer. Example is equal to 5. Okay. So now let's put a double example is equal to 5.55. Okay. So now just system dot out dot println example plus yes. Save. Now let's just run the program. Our answer should be 10.55. Yes, and our answer has came correct. So I have made a data type integer, variable name example, and its value is 5. And I have made a data type double, variable name ex, and its value is 5.55. So in system.out.println example, I call that variable here example plus ex. So it will add that. And this is what our output is. So you can make calculators like this. So we will see taking input from user in the next video. We'll continue the tutorial, and for now, bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.